Right, Jamie. So this next bit of Reptilia, right? So we were talking last time about how this is not strictly in the key of B minor, it's in B Dorian, right? So as I was saying, long story short, what that means is it's a minor key but with a sharpened sixth, okay? So your B natural minor scale is looking like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then by the time we get to 8, that's the octaves, so we can call this 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Right, so what they're doing is they're raising the 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of that 6, we get this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that's where we're getting the... and so on, right? Now, so you know that rundown already, so what we were doing was the little bit he does after that, okay? So we've got this first thing here. That's it, isn't it? Right. Okay, so we have this bend. This is real typical blues stuff here. Okay, it's kind of a good way of getting the same note twice without it sounding like just... you know what I mean? So, that sounds a lot better. So, you gotta make sure that you get down here kind of discreetly, right? You're using all three fingers to push it up. But then, right as you let this one go, silence it, and then you're here. So you obviously we don't... you know, you don't want to let it go loudly, so just... so right hand and left hand are involved in silencing the strings that you don't want to hear. So here we go. Then set yourself up here, 10 on the 7th, the sharpened 6th, and the 5th of the scale. So we double pull off, land up here on the 9th fret of the G string, and then get this. While that's there, you've got a quick chance to get your first finger across the B and the G string on the 2nd fret. And make sure it's not like that with the notes overlapping, just kind of roll your finger across it. So let's try that again. Okay, next one is the same except the first two notes instead of this. You've got... and again, right, you've got these two notes here. And as soon as this note, this finger goes over here for this note, you've got that a little opportunity to get these other two fingers behind it for the double pull off. So, first one. Then we're coming up here to the blues box. More on that later, but for now, we'll go... so we're coming up here, 12 to 14 bend, up and down. Then we've got 10 and 9 here. So 10, 9 on the E string, 12, 10 on the B string. And then 12, 9. And then he does exactly the same thing again, only he stops as soon as he hits the 12th fret on the B string. So let's do a quick run through that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. And then when he goes back into the kind of rundown on the Dorian scale, he does this little thing called a pre-bend. So you bring it up silently. And then finishes it off. Whoops. So. Okay, that's it. And by the way, as for this little bit here, just keep doing what you're doing on it. It will get tidier and tidier, because the adjustments that you need to make it sound clean are very subtle. They're small little adjustments. So just keep doing what you're doing, and it will naturally tighten itself up. And by the way, we haven't addressed the other guitar that's going on over that as well. I'm going to have to look into that separately. Yeah, but this is kind of scalar thing that the other guitar player is doing while that thing is going on. All right, so see you get on with it. I'll see you next time.